So, what's new this time? Think about a tool that helped you customize something you've been working on for a while with just one click. It was effortless. So we thought of having the same ability in our indoor maps. Hi, I'm Nisa, Jibestream's UX UI designer, and this is our product release 4.9. Now let's dive into details and look at our newest feature, map templates and other CMS enhancements. One of the major features of 4.9 is map templates. In our content management system, you can select from a range of preset map styles and apply it to your venue. The applied style can be viewed real-time within the CMS. Also, you can generate a URL which is shareable and which shows you the web app preview. So, what are some key benefits of using map templates anyways? For starters, you don't have to spend so much time styling each aspect of your map. For each preset style, some UI elements and some map objects follow the exact same theme. You can also download a floor map with your published style. Plus, you have the ability to generate a shareable URL with web app preview, which you can share with your stakeholders. Now let me show you how. So, I'm at Map Manager, and just below the zoom controls here, you can see the map template toolbar. If I click on it and expand, I'll see 5 different preset styles available. The default style here will always be your original map style. And then the others are grayscale, which we call London Sky. There's nice and clean spring. Then there's high contrast cyber. Then we have our minimalistic ocean. And lastly, we have our brown and dusty Sahara. Now notice how for each preset style, the labels and the drawn paths change color to aid visibility. For example, for Sahara here, the paths drawn and the labels are black in color, whereas for cyber, which is high contrast, they are white. So, notice this button here? If you click it, this button is used to generate a web app preview. This web app preview is always generated in a separate tab, and it has an external URL which you can easily copy and share with your stakeholders or whoever that you like. Now, for each of the preset style that you apply on the map, you see different elements getting styled differently. Like for example, the floor selector here, and the zoom buttons, and the icons all get a set style which are based on the theme that you select. Another feature of 4.9 is our brand new amenity icons library. When creating an amenity, you can choose to upload your own amenity icon, or you can select from the default Jibestream provided icons. Now let's create an amenity. Let's call it Cafe. You can give it whatever ID that you want, any description that you like, and now I'll search for an icon. And there we have it. You can see the icon being placed over here, and no matter what the color of your icon is, our CMS interface ensures that you'll be able to preview them exactly as you would expect. With the features released in 4.9, components of Map Manager and Map Editor also underwent some visual and functional enhancements for an overall improved user experience. Let's see how. Starting with Map Editor, the split and merge tools are now more intuitive to make the editing quick and easy. Let's start with the split tool here. Watch as I select the tool, a tooltip pops up guiding me as to what my next steps are. Now if I hover over units, you'll see they get highlighted, telling me which unit I'm about to select. Now let's click on this unit. When I select the unit, I am then prompted by the cursor that I am now able to split the unit into 2. All I need to do is click on one end, drag my cursor, and drop on the other. And you can see these units getting split into 2. Next is the merge tool. The merge tool identifies all of the mergeable units around the unit that I have selected. Now if I go in and click on another unit that I want to merge it with, it fairly and easily allows me to do so, even though there is a slight gap in between. Also, added bonus, if I want to deselect from the active tool and get out of the mode that I am in, all I need to do is hit escape, and you can see it goes back to its default selector tool mode. Moving on to Map Manager. To make plotting easier, we've enabled waypoint snapping functionality. If you want to plot a waypoint over an existing path or another waypoint, drag your waypoint close to the desired area and you will see it snap to the closest path or the waypoint. Now let's draw something. See how my waypoint is snapping to the path or the waypoint I go close to. Also, this highlight aids you with the plotting. Next in line is the search functionality, which uses the best match logic. Let's search for cafe. You can see a list of destinations appearing over here, which have the word cafe in them. Now I can use this sort filter to select, let's say, name, and you see the results getting filtered according to the sort filter name. Lastly, we have map focus. So before it was difficult to view all of a destination's locations together on a floor map. With map focus, the map zooms and shows you all of the instances of your selected destination in one frame. For example, our destination here, 1411. Let's click this and see how many instances it has and where exactly. See how the map zoomed in and aligned itself to show you all of the instances on the floor that I am at. This highlights the exciting new features and enhancements of our latest release. For more information on 4.9 or to discover how indoor location intelligence can benefit your organization, contact us at info@jibestream.com. This is me, Nisa, signing off until next time.